Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Google Gemini to automatically transcribe audio or video to text transcripts. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and click on the official website from the results. This will take you to the Gemini interface where you can start working with your files. Once you're on the platform, look for the plus icon and click on it to upload your audio or video file. Select the file you want to transcribe and wait for it to finish uploading. After the upload is complete, go to the text input field and type a simple prompt like transcribe this video. This tells Gemini exactly what task to perform. Next, click the submit button to begin the transcription process. Within moments, Gemini will generate a full text transcript of your file on the screen. If needed, you can also access audio options by clicking the three-dot menu and selecting Listen. So that's basically how you can use Google Gemini to automatically transcribe audio or video to text transcripts. That's it for this video. Thanks.